out. Thank you for watching. This is the overview from the apartment I stay here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. That is the city. That side is the Mount Kiara, yung nakapokus sa aking screen. This all that building is in Mount Kiara. Yes. And this mountain is the Genting Highland. Here on top of the mountain, that is the Genting Highland. The cloud already touched the building.